Hi, I'm Jeremy with A1 Garage Doors, and we're here to replace a garage door in Centennial today. He's getting an operator as well, brand new from Liftmaster with a camera. With the camera, 360-degree view of your garage, and an intercom so you can talk to whoever comes into your garage. It's great for Amazon deliveries, great for any kind of delivery, and the door he's getting today is a insulated steel back door, which is the best door on the market, I believe, right now as well. Best bang for your buck.
Hi there, I'm Bernie Zenonie, and I live in Centennial. We are in the process of getting our new garage put in with a new Liftmaster garage door opener. It's one of the most recent type of garage door openers that they have. It has a camera that will record anybody that comes in and out, and that becomes important not for us in our immediate use of our family, but if we give out our code, a special one-time use code to, say, Amazon, and Amazon has a delivery, we don't have to worry about them leaving it on the porch and it getting stolen anymore. Now we can go ahead and give them the one-time use code. They can go on into the garage and leave the package in a nice secure place, and there'll be no issues that way. And I don't have to worry about security with them because they're going to be recorded the whole time as they come in and out. So that's what we look forward to as far as one of the many features that the new garage door opener has for us.
So call us at A1 Garage Doors. You'll get an estimate in 5 minutes flat. This opener has all the bells and whistles. It'll be the last opener and door you'll ever need.